Hello, pre-K through second graders. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a quick warm-up. We're going to review some locomotors. We're going to practice balancing on different number of body parts. And then I'm going to give you some instructions for the videos that I've sent out to you also. So let's do our warm-ups. Let's just do 5 push-ups. And you know what, you guys? I noticed I was looking at my push-ups on the last video, and I noticed I wasn't doing them exactly right. I was getting up my butt a little bit high up in the air. So I'm going to try to keep a straighter body this time. I'm going to have to review this video after, and you guys let me know what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to try to keep, I know it still up a little high, so I'm going to lower down, and I'm going to go down. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then let's do some arm circles to get warmed up. We'll do about 5 or 6 one way, 5 or 6 the other way. That'll be just a real quick warm-up today because we got a lot of stuff to do and I don't want to make the video too long. So let's practice first. Let's practice our galloping on one foot. So we're galloping. Keep one foot in front. All right, and then let's go down and back and let's practice our skipping. Step hop. Get that knee up high in the air. All right, and then let's practice our 1 foot hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the same thing back. All right, then let's do a side slide. So we go sideways and back. Then let's do a grapevine step, which is kind of a new one. You'll go side behind, side in front, side behind, side in front. So this is a new one. All right, and then how about jumping? And then back. And then last one we'll do is leap. Remember, a leap is going off of 1 foot and landing on the other. I'm going to see if I can leap over this purple yoga mat. A real long leap. Not quite. I need a little bigger run up. Okay. Now we're going to quickly, you guys, try balancing on different number of body parts. Let's try balancing on 1. Let's try balancing on 2. And you guys can always pause the video if you need to. Let's try balancing on 2, but you can't use just your feet. Let's see if we can do this one. Ooh, I think I'm going to do it that way. How about 3? How about 4? How about 4, but you can't use 2 hands and 2 feet? Using a knee instead. How about 4 and the 4 body parts all need to be different body parts? I'm using a knee, an elbow, a foot, and a hand. How about 5 body parts? 2 hands, 2 feet, and my bottom. Okay, you guys show me some of the creative ways that you can come up with to balance on different body parts. The last thing that we're going to work on today is balancing on different bases of support. And what that means is a wide base of support and a narrow. So if I'm balancing on a wide base of support, I have my feet far apart and I have good balance. It's easier to balance on a wide base of support. So practice balancing on a wide base of support. And then try balancing on a narrow base of support. Maybe I'm on 1 foot and my foot is very narrow. Okay? How else? I want you guys to show me some. How could you balance on a wide and narrow base of support? Okay, what would that look like? Okay? So how about balancing on a narrow base of support using 3 body parts? So if I have my feet right together and I have a hand down, that's a very narrow base of support, even though I have 3 body parts. How could I do 3 body parts and make it a wide base of support? I could spread my feet out and make more of a big triangle with a wide base, right? Okay, so you guys show me some of the things that you can do. Okay, so those are your activities to do for this week. And then I've also included 2 videos that you're going to do. A YouTube Invisible Man freeze video and a yoga freeze video. So in addition to practicing your warm-up, practice your locomotor skills, practice wide and narrow bases of support, also do the 2 YouTube videos that I attached, and that will be your assignment for lesson 2 this week. And the kids who need to do lesson 2, remember, if you have gym on Wednesday and it's your second day of gym that week, you should do lesson 2. And if you miss a Google Meet, if you're at all the Google Meets, you don't need to do this. So hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you the next time at the Google Meet.